Yes. If you want success, if you want something new in your life, if you want to make impossible as a possible, then you have to watch full video. If you have no connection with success, if you want to be the victim of criticism, then please skip this video at this time. Don't waste your time. This video is all about trust, believe in yourself. You have to trust yourself. Whatsoever you are, whatsoever your body is, whatsoever your mind is, whatsoever your heart is, you have to believe. You have to trust each and every organ of your body. Then I hope so you will be successful. Nothing in this world is impossible. Someone say there is no word found in my dictionary as impossible. Impossible itself say that I am possible. Nothing in this world is impossible. Each and everything is possible. If we want to make each and everything possible, then you have to trust in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. Whoever had believed in himself, he say that each and everything can I do. This is my work. This is my goal. This is my position. Each and everything can be done by you if you say yes, I can do. If you believed in your system, if you believe in your heart, if you believe in your mind, then each and everything, according to me, is possible for you. Whoever had not believed himself, he is the victim of failure. He is always criticized for the same reason that he cannot do anything. He is mean to say he has nothing to do. He has no connection to do success. He has nothing with success. Success is nothing for him. If you have determination, so you have to believe yourself. You have to believe your mind. You have to believe your tongue. Whatsoever, wherever you are, you have to believe yourself that I am trusted. I trust myself. Whatsoever books, whatsoever business that I can do, I will be the pioneer. I will be the position holder of that category. Whatsoever the category is. Because this is the system. Success, if you want to talk about success, what is success? Success is the part of your trust. Whoever had trusted himself, he is successful in his life. Those people, those who don't trust themselves, those who don't trust their mind, those they say that no, my mind can do, they are always fail. Their faces are of failure. They can't do anything. So please do just one thing. That is, I can do and I am trusted. I trust myself. I believe in myself. Then inshallah, I hope so. I'm hopeful that you will be successful in your life. Nothing will be impossible for you. You will say whatsoever is, I can do. Whatsoever is, I can do. I will dream big. Whoever has trust himself, he will dream big. He will not take a small piece of work. He will say, I need a lot of work. He will say, I need a gigantic work. He will say that I can do everything because nothing is possible. Those who say nothing is possible, I will say, yes, of course, nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible in this recent world. If you want success, you have to believe, you have to trust in yourself. Then you are the position holder. Then you are the PM. Then you are each and everything. Whatsoever you want, you will be in your life. Thank you all.